Good morning, Mr. Gideon.
Yes.
Yes, we want to take you on this platform this morning, and a lot of people want to hear what is your opinion between Wike, Fubara, and there's likely that Tubu is going to have his way by supporting Fubara ahead of 2027 election, so that he can get his vote.
Oh my God! See, Tubu should not dream 2027. Does that mean? We need to use science to remove him. You know, that thing where this guy do, called Wike, when they do now, he just try to betray his own people. Does that mean? You don't betray your own people because of why you don't go. Wike no be APC. Abi, it's not the APC. Because you royal to APC, isn't it? It's APC. Wike is PDP. Abi,
but he's working with APC.
I'm coming. You royal to APC, and APC give him post. It's PDP. No APC can take over what it is. From South, no APC can take over. So Wike should just stop all this nonsense. Get my point? You cannot bring our nation, our community to Yoruba man to shake broom for hand. Does that mean? So stop all those things you are doing. Maybe you are playing with Tubu, you want Tubu to come in. No South can carry broom and begin to shake. That is Yoruba evil broom. No, we don't get time for that. Does that mean? He can enter North, he can enter Igbo land, he cannot enter South because we cannot shake the Yoruba broom. Does that mean? The broom that Yoruba bring can shake the Yoruba people and Hausa people and it destroy them. But we in South cannot shake that broom. So Wike should stop to play tricks of trying to gain us to give to Tubu.
But his political allies in Rivers State are showing loyalty to him.
Loyalty to that he do something in Rivers State, it don't mean that as a giving power, I mean the FCC chairman, this thing, that he have to come and take Rivers State and give to Tubu. Does that mean? Does that mean? So the rivers know the truth, and we are South. We know our length. We know they run because of hungry. Tubu can bribe North because they are hungry. They can bribe Yoruba because they are hungry. They can't bribe us. They can bribe Igbo man. They can't bribe the East, the South, because we have everything. Now we own the nation, oil everything. You get my point? So Tubu cannot bribe us for us a week. You get my point? So the strength of Tubu belongs to nation that have no money to. You understand me? They are poverty nation, poverty tribe. Like the Yorubas, like the Hausas, like Igbo. This Tubu can use animals to bribe them. You can't bribe South. I'm an all owner. I'm a king. You can't bribe me. So Wike should stop those link of trying to bring Rivers State to hand over to Tubu by submission to him. By he want to be Jagaban of Rivers State, like Tubu be Jagaban of Lagos. He cannot work. Does that mean? So Tubu cannot be Jagaban to Lagos, suppress his own people, but he cannot go for Rivers State because we are all wise.
But it's politics. Anything can happen at the end of the day.
Listen to me, politics play and fail right from beginning inside the South.
Are you saying that Tubu has failed?
He failed in South. He win in North, he win in West, he win in South, East. He can't win in South. Right from beginning. You understand me? The power that you pray to carry Akwa Ibom give to him, he was too strong, but he cannot make it up. The power that this guy tried to carry this guy to carry this thing, this state in South and give him, he did not be able to make it up. So don't think that Tubu can be able to immerse the council to cross South. They don't burn him well. You understand me? We have a culture. Yoruba don't have culture. They buy cultures. You understand me?
Are you saying that Fubara is not afraid of Wike?
They burn him well.
People are resigning from his government. Listen
to me. Wike is trying to suppress him. You understand me? To make him weak as a predecessor. You understand me? But he must to know that he's a South. If Tubu wrong, we can call our son and say, my brother, where you go is too terrible. Don't go that way. That's it was us. You cannot use money to suppress us. We can only tell you that where you go is too high. Don't go that way. Understand me? That's why we are still remaining standby. That APC cannot enter South. It could have entered since. But no state can be taken by APC, even though Tubu is a president. Get my point? Because I have the way to secure my own people. And our people know who we are. And we stand fast to our own strength. That we cannot be able to melt to any kind of Moscow.
So are you saying that Tubu cannot come back for 2027? And even though the North has said no way for him, but the Yorubas are insisting, say he must win 2027.
We must bring Yoruba to nothing. Listen to me. It's too far. The cap is too far for us to bring Yoruba to nothing. Because the problem is that he win is that he take Buhari by surprise. Why you don't believe that he could win primary? Understand me? He thinks this guy could win primary. The Minister of Work. what do they call him? The Rivers State former president, governor. Amechi thinks Amechi to win, but Tubu go there and sit down for 1 week and shake hand must go. He win the man. The man run to change money and to suppress Tubu not to win the election. Tubu really succeed him, make him know I ain't take win the election. He take Buhari by surprise. No anybody in this country can keep Nigerian to Yoruba to rule. Buhari make the worst mistake. It was from beginning. I will beg for 1 day. Nigeria knock him out. MKO come, they kill him. You get my point? You understand me? So Tubu come, he use freak. Buhari is weak man. Normally, he's a pure weak man. Before he came to realize that Tubu can win that, Tubu win primary. Tubu will win primary. What can you do now? He now pumping to attack the seat of the federal government. Does that mean? Before he trying to change money, change this, it was too late. And Tubu become president. So you don't think he can come back. He make a worse mistake. The Buhari said, listen for mistakes.
But it's left for Nigeria to determine who they are going to vote.
So listen to me. Tubu going to buy food and rig election. But we must remove him by all power of force. The what we're going to do is remove him by mystery. We're not going to remove Tubu by physical attack. It's too strong. We have to use mystery to send him out. So you need to understand what we plan for. He cannot exist in that seat. That can never rule Nigeria. Federal government said that. Tubu could have called him down. So you cannot see what he do now. Right from the beginning, the Yoruba was not to encounter rulership. Also have been killing them. That is not a penetrate power. Now this one, because of the president in top power, being a weak man, that's what Tubu get again. That's why I say Emiloku is my turn. If Buhari could have been stronger and remove knife like lion, Tubu cannot win election. You get my point? Tubu win election because Buhari is weak. And they already used mystery to bring Buhari to nothing. By inviting Buhari to come to Lagos to commission things, they begin to wear Buhari by their cap, Yoruba cap, begin to do this, they do that, and weak Buhari spiritually. So Buhari did not have strength. So Buhari, before you open eye, Tubu will win the election. So don't plan or believe that Tubu can cross the empire of Nigeria again. That's the final speech. You know what I mean? I make the company to make sure that if we can return back to our drawing board, because we don't forget history quickly. Because of Android phone. No, we don't need to forget history. No, Yoruba was ruled Nigeria. They ruled Nigeria by what? By chance. Obasanjo enter by what? By this guy died. Muta Mohammed died, Obasanjo become president. You understand me? When Lagos were attacking Babangida, he now carry power, give to Obasanjo. Because why? Because of that attack. Because of why? Power was here. They attack him, he has to carry power, come up from here and go to Yoruba to harass him to have peace. Jordan Barak to have peace. Every day riot. Abi? He has to come up power from here to Abuja. You understand me? Now, Yoruba begin to almost to destroy. He now said, okay, I give you your son. Obasanjo come out. So there was never a plan for Hausa or Nigerian to keep Yoruba power to rule. It was what? By this. It was not a direct plan. Understand me? Because they don't put them in plan because they are always destroyed. If they come to, well, okay, you know, see, when this guy come to become a PDP chairman, you know, see what Mwike say? Mwike say a Yoruba man can never be a chairman of a party. You understand me? Where they just want to go. You understand me? So you need to know that Nigerians know them. You understand me? So Buhari was a weak man before he wake up to track. But Tubu already take him.
But are you saying that Tubu did not win the election?
Where did he win? He lose Lagos, he lose Abuja. Where did he win? He buy food. I said Kano Moscow was spread in Abuja. Even primary, he win by Kano Moscow. Understand me? He win primary by Kano Moscow. So who can vote for him? Nigerians don't know what Yoruba is. You there for their land here, you know what you feel. How can you vote for such people?
But they're saying he's likely going to work with Obara, distancing himself gradually from Wike's influence.
Obara can never stand to defend. Only thing, he will stand in his word. I'm a River State man, I'm a South man, nobody can take me down by bribe. Only bribe can win. If the Tubu cannot, if he cannot take bribe from the Yoruba, then knock out. Become free. Only bribe can weak people. Bribe weak not, and not become nothing. The Tubu use bribe to weak not. Ghana must go to oil Emia. Ghana must go to all the Amazami.
You think he cannot repeat such in 2027?
If he repeat, they are learning lesson now. They cannot ship. They cannot import. Can they ship to Lagos? Can they ship their product to Lagos? Is it easy for them to fuel a truck for about 2 million? To fuel a truck for 2 million for this. Is it easy for Hausa man to ship something to Lagos? That's what Tubu deliver to them. pain and sorrow. So they now draw themselves, okay, we don't see this man now. So do you think that they're going to come back for you to say, oh, God, give me Karamas, go make a chop? So Tubu is angry. Just angry. As the angry is going to just kick that small rope where hold him. That's the end. So you need to understand. The politics, I'm a politician. I will play the final politics now with Yoruba. If you come in, you understand me? We need to know the power that hold Tubu into that power. The power that hold Tubu is what is charm, is juju. Now we need to know how to what break that juju and we what bring them to nothing. So you need to know. Tubu not stay there because of his power. If it's a Baba, so we have to do what? We have to go another science to attack him. Even the Yorubas are crying. Please remove Tubu, bole. Understand me? Everybody are crying, remove Tubu, bole. So who is the person that going to stand and say Tubu should be out? If they talk, they are hypocrite. And what? Money, okay, money where they give them now, where is it? Where they bribe them, where is it?
But Wike is working with him to make sure that APC have a stronghold in Rivers State.
Agbabi do past that. He was turned to nothing. Agbabi do past that. Agbabi do past that for what? For Rivers, for Akwa Ibom. But he turned to what? He turned to dust as last. So you need to understand. So Wike should not try. Don't withdraw because Akwa Ibom try. If Akwa Ibom can try, Akwa Ibom that is stronger than Wike can try. You cannot take Akwa Ibom State and give to Turumbu. Now, who are you to take Rivers State and give it to Tubu? Is it possible that?
Okay, it means that Fubara is actually fighting back now.
It's a powerful fighter. Not that Wike oppose out. Wike cannot be, see, in South South, you cannot be a Yakaban of South South. No land in South South, you can be Yakaban. You can be for Lagos State, for the Yoruba land. Because they believe that if you're stronger than them, they take you like their king. And they bow to you, become Tuale Baba. We don't get Tuale Baba for our region. Understand me? Because you don't win me, you don't win stronger than me, I begin to call you Tuale Baba. I can only one way to want to bring you down to nothing. Because why? You cannot come to separate people. That's the spirit of Sasa. You get me, man? Understand me? So the Yoruba believe in if you're stronger than me, I can take you like my king, maybe. And they begin to submit to you, even though you give them shit, they chop shit, they die chopping shit. We are not like that. So we get to know that the Sasa will not allow them to bring Tubu in. They don't bond him with. You understand me? So know that the facts is being remained. South is South. Our life is not complain with what Yoruba man do or what Igbo man do, what outside man. We are who we are. You understand me? We have the oil, we have everything. We shut oil down, this boy no go move. We shut oil down, nobody cook food. Gas cease. You understand me? We shut oil down, nobody move. Everybody stop. You understand me? We give them oil because we have excess. So Tubu now, we give oil because we have excess. We give oil outside, give oil for Igbo. Give oil for Igbo. We are the power. So do not what try to penetrate our empire. It's too strong. Understand me? If we shut fuel down, bam, oil down, nothing. We blow all the pipeline. They burn anybody well. So this thing we cannot provoke the Naya Delta. Understand me? We will not what we don't want to shut down or shut down the pipeline. We don't want to shut down. We want peace to reign. So go and rule out the Tubu as give you post. You turn back to your land as PDP. Live in peace. Is that me? Live in peace as a man of peace. Don't go and see. Your blood is not Yoruba blood, and you can never do like Yoruba. Is that me? Your blood no be Igbo blood. You can never be like Igbo. My blood is Igbo blood, and ever I stand as what I cannot betray anybody. Is that me? I cannot betray you. So let Wike know. If you bring somebody to come and betray the South, we go knock you out. We go reject you as our son. I'm telling you, we go reject you because we get the power to reject you. Because you cannot suppress us. Okay, my God. So let him know the truth and let the truth set Tubu free and set Wike free. So Wike, what I have to advise him, withdraw from what? That empire, withdraw. Tell Tubu that what you rule is no good. That's not the way you rule like Rivers State. Talk to Tubu. This government is not functioning. Talk to Tubu.
It's not functioning.
It's not functioning. So we don't try to be able to compromise with Tubu. No, Tubu is a tout. He can't be able to do well. Good or call him tout. He can't do well. You need to understand. So no way that can do well. Understand me? That spirit cannot do well. So you need to understand. So tell Tubu, how can I fix you back? How can I advise you? You rule Rivers State for 8 years. Close to Tubu, advise him. These are things can go. These are Nigerians can see food to chop. These are Nigerians can move on. Stop go and join with Tubu campaign evil and start to try to suppress other states to get. You can't enter South. I vow you can never enter South. I'm a ghost of South. And my ancestors of South, cannot enter South. So let, what they call him, Mite, withdraw. Go and advise Turumbu as a wise man. Guy, this comment you will read it. Stop trying to become submit to Turumbu to carry power. The South. I be a Rivers State, give the Turumbu, don't try that.
But people are saying this is the first civilian president of Yoruba extraction. They are a little bit surprised that Tubu has not been able to show leadership. Is it in Yoruba DNA to run anything down that's been given to them?
No, Yoruba run things down. It's right from the beginning. There was never a declaration of them. They take power of opposition, attack to get what they want, right from the beginning. Away was stuck in the air. Bobby was stuck in the ground. He campaigned in the air. He go to helicopter and threw away paper for people to read. Understand me? Right from the beginning, Yoruba take power to take something. You do not take this peace because nobody know them. Nobody want to bring them to something because of their character. Understand me? Only Yoruba Christians are good. So all the history of Yoruba, now Yoruba Muslim, now don't spoil everything. No be Yoruba Christian. Like Funso William was Yoruba Christian, was okay, look at the former president, the former vice president. What do they call it? Sibanjo. See peaceful as it is. That's the kind of people we need for Yoruba land. No be Yoruba Muslim. Yoruba Muslim destroy entire Nigeria, so it's not fact. Understand me? Yoruba Muslim, Christian always be what? Fake to everybody. Look at where they go put peace in Naya Delta. Sibanjo, Abi. Look at the Funso William, who's supposed to be. Can they find me? Can you buy me? Those are the Nigerian Yoruba people that that have facts to everybody. Understand me? Not Yoruba Muslim. Yoruba Muslim destroy Yoruba. Even Yoruba Christians are suffering from the hands of Yoruba Muslims. Understand me? So you need to understand. So empower. If you want to empower Yoruba Christians to come into politics. Understand me? First are Yoruba Muslim. They are the one that turn the Nigerian down. Not Yoruba Christian. Yoruba Christians are fair. Together they stand. They know, I'm working with Yoruba Christian from Osun State. Even the two of them, understand me? Who I'm working, they are Christians. But they take everybody out. But Yoruba Muslim are the problem that turn Nigeria to what you are doing today. So from Yoruba Muslim, bring Yoruba Christian to what? To a system. Let us join them. And let us move on. You know, go hear Yoruba Christian be telling somebody in Lagos say, go your own land. Now Yoruba Muslim, they do those things. You need to understand what is going on. So if you don't get the facts, how can you know how to run? Get the facts of the tribe. In a tribe, it must be a good one and it must be a bad one. Inside a tribe. In Igbo land, there's a good Igbo and there's a bad Igbo. In Hausa, there's a good Hausa, there's the bad Hausa. In Yoruba land, there's a good Yorubas and the bad Yorubas. And Yoruba Muslim are the bad ones. No be Yoruba Christian. You see me? Yoruba Christian have no problem. So bring Yoruba Christian to become pioneer of rulership in Yoruba West. Let us join them with politics. Leave Yoruba Muslim. They cannot make it. You fool with down to take over Yoruba Muslim. And Yoruba, you can't say Yoruba son go with down. Tell me what? That Yoruba son go become everybody Christian go with down. You know what I mean? My Muslim and Babalawo children, they didn't do those stuff. It's the Muslim and Yoruba Babalawo children, they didn't do those stuff. No be Yoruba Christian your son. You know what I mean? So you need to understand the idea you should take and join you for your ministry. You know, go just take people. Bible said, you don't to clean army before you take them to war. Abi? He said, them that drink water like drop it. Them that drink water, he said,